Listen to the birds. Let me know how many birds you can hear. And I'll tell you how many birds it is. Hi, Sally. Sally, hi. Hi, baby. Now listen. I'll zoom in for you. You can see the bird up there. May not be able to see her. See that bird? Listen. Hear all the birds around that bird. Whoops. Hear all the birds around that bird. There's two of them up there. It's a lot of birds you hear, don't it? Different sounds of the birds. All different kinds of birds. Blue jays, red-winged blackbirds, cardinals, wrens, blue-purple martins, I'll put in the description box all the different birds you're hearing. Blue jay. I don't see a blue jay. Oh, look, there's 5 of those birds up there now. My dad and I were sitting out here the other day, and I had my bird sound identifier going. I told him, I said, listen to all these birds, and Dad. And he's like, it's like, no. And I'm like, why? And he goes, those aren't all them birds ain't, it's flying over there right now. He goes, all these birds aren't here. I'm like, well, he goes, unless you actually see them, they're not really here. There goes a starling, but up there, that you hear singing up there right now, up in that tree, all them different birds you hear, you see that bird flying across the sky right now? You hear the killdeer? I'm telling you, that's not the killdeer. What we have here is an invasion of mockingbirds. So it does the mourning dove, the killdeer, the blue jay, the red-winged blackbird, the purple martins. They do sparrows. They do the bluebirds. They do all of the birds around here. So unless you actually see the birds singing, it's not the bird singing. And I was like, really? Are you sure, Dad? So yes, oh wow, look at the moon. But it's right up there at the very top of the tree. Very top. Mockingbird. That's the one that was doing the killdeer. There, you can see it flittering around. Anyway, so the other day I was burning some trash. Or some boxes, sorry. And I looked up in my box elder tray, and there sat a mockingbird. And it went through 10 different bird sounds, all sitting in the tree. So all these you hear going off right now, even the mourning doves, is just mockingbirds right now. All of them. And there's like 10 of them. There's 10 mockingbirds around here, and they're all talking at the same time. Mockingbirds. You guys take care and God bless. Be kind to one another. Goodbye.